Welcome to another ABC Grab-and-Go on-demand webcast. In this webcast, we're going to cover the treadle brake pedal maintenance. All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manuals, guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified professional. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided on an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either express or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time. The brake pedal plunger located below the brake pedal is subject to dirt, contamination, which may cause it to intermittently stick, resulting in partial brake application. It is recommended to clean and lubricate the plunger every 12,500 miles or as needed. Refer to the maintenance manual. Typically, when the brake pedal plunger sticks, the brake lights will stay on and the tag brakes will be partially applied. The following in this slide is an excerpt from your maintenance manual out of Chapter 1. Here we show you where you should do your brake pedal maintenance at 12,500 miles. Always refer to your maintenance manual for your maintenance intervals. The following slide will show you your brake pedal components. Number 1, your treadle. Number 2, your hinge pin with return spring. Return springs only on bus application. Number 3, your plunger dust boot. Number 4 is your mounting plate. Number 5, your plunger. And number 6, your treadle roller. To perform your brake pedal maintenance, the directions are listed here. Step 1, remove the accumulated dirt, dust, gravel, and grease from the heel of the treadle. Number 1. Plunger, number 5. Plunger dust boot number 3, and mounting plate number 4. Step 2. Check the plunger rubber dust boot number 3 for damage. Change if necessary. And step 3. Check your treadle number 1 and mounting plate number 4 for damage, wear, and corrosion. Change if necessary. Step 4. Apply 2 to 4 drops of oil between the plunger 5 and mounting plate 4. Step 5. Lubricate the treadle roller number 6, treadle roller pin, and hinge pin with thin oil. Caution: do not use too much oil as this will accumulate dirt. This page is an excerpt out of the Bendix manual. It shows you the grease that Bendix has recommended to perform this maintenance. I have highlighted it. And this concludes another ABC Grab-and-Go on-demand webcast. For questions regarding this webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for Coach Technical Support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.